I'm Maria Guerrero. Thanks so much for joining me tonight. It is the news that matters most, and our top story, tax time is here, and messing up on the math could cost you. We are on your side, weighing the options of doing your taxes alone or hiring a professional. Brad Chaimson breaks it all down for you.
Tax laws seem to change every year with new credits available and new ways to deduct items. If you miss a deduction or a credit, you could be missing out on your tax return. But even tax professionals say for some cases it may be best to file returns yourself.
I'm not the person to do my own taxes because they get a little complex.
Ken Scanlon has been taking his taxes to Menenga Tax and Financial for more than 20 years.
We have office and home, which is a struggle for me to find out. And Betty always helps me tell me what I can deduct and what I can't deduct. And we have some income property as well, and that's always a struggle.
Marshall Menenga says it makes sense for some people to get help with tax prep.
Tax laws are very, very complex, more complex than they should be. And for an individual to tackle that on their own by themselves is a major undertaking.
He says it's easy to miss deductions on complicated returns.
I would say on average probably 60 to 75% of the tax returns that we look at that have been self-prepared, we can find them additional sources of tax credits.
That's not to say everyone needs a tax professional to help them file. There's a lot of software out there that can walk you through step by step, but there's also a number of free websites like this. This is irs.gov that can do the same thing. They're ideal for simple returns.
For a simple tax return, going on one of the websites and using the free sites is exactly what people should do. If they're not itemized deductions, if they don't have capital gains, things of that nature.
Scanlon has found what works for him. That's letting someone else do all the work.
It's just nice having the confidence in the fact that when I sign that line, I know that it's done correctly.
It's a good idea for people to try to do their own taxes at some point to get a better idea of their own finances. He says to get the best tax returns, you have to start planning early, as in starting right now for 2010 to make sure you can take advantage of those tax credits throughout the year.
Because those things, they can get really complicated.
They add up to.
All right, News 3's Brad Chaimson. Brad, thank you very much.